Welcome student in fourth session from your textbook chapter number 8, how do organisms reproduce. Today we will continue this chapter. In last session we studied about the sexual reproduction in animals, types of fertilizations and human reproductive system. In that we study male and female reproductive system. So today we are going to discuss about the fertilizations. Okay. So in human beings, internal fertilization takes place. The sperm called that male gametes made in the testes of men are introduced into vagina of the woman through penis during copulation or mating. Okay, in this way millions of sperms are released into the vagina at one time. Look at the figure, जैसे आपको फिगर में दिखा रहे हैं. Okay, so that sperm enter through the vagina. Okay, so like in this way millions of sperms are released. Okay, millions of sperm are released into the vagina at one time. So the sperm are highly active and mobile. So sperm कैसे रहते हैं? Highly active and mobile means that moving. The sperm move up through cervix into the uterus. Uterus में enter करते हैं, and that from the uterus the sperm pass into the oviduct. Okay, showing that figure. So one of the oviduct contains an ovum. So oviduct में ovum रहता है. So that released by the ovary during ovulation. और ओवम जो है वो ओवरी से रिलीज होता है ड्यूरिंग द ओवुलेशन पीरियड. ओके, सो ओनली वन स्पर्म फ्यूजेस विद द ओवम. ओके, सो ओनली वन स्पर्म कैन फ्यूज विद द ओवम इन द ओविडक्ट टू फॉर्म ए जाइगोट. सो एक ही स्पर्म ओवम से फ्यूज होता है एंड फॉर्म द जाइगोट. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड फर्टिलाइजेशन. फर्टिलाइजेशन क्या है? द फर्टिलाइजेशन ऑफ द ओवम टेक्स प्लेस इन द ओविडक्ट. फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस कहाँ होती है? द ओविडक्ट. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इम्ब्रियो. ओके, सो जब फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस हो जाती है, सो जब मेल और फीमेल गेमेट फ्यूज टुगेदर एंड फॉर्म द न्यू सेल्स, ओके, इज कॉल्ड जाइगोट. सो व्हेन द ओवम इज फर्टिलाइज इन द ओविडक्ट, जैसे ओवम फर्टिलाइज हो जाता है इन द ओविडक्ट, देन ए जाइगोट इज फॉर्म. जैसे आपको फिगर में शो हो रहा है कि एक जाइगोट फॉर्म हो गया. ओके, सो द जाइगोट्स डिवाइड्स रैपिडली. अब जाइगोट्स डिवाइड्स रैपिडली मीन्स इट डिवाइड होते जाता है by mitosis as it's move down slowly in the oviduct and form a hollow ball of 100 of cells. और ये एक hollow ball form कर देता है and there is 100 of cells. So this hollow ball of cells now called an embryo. तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? embryo कहते हैं. Okay, that hollow ball, okay, sink into the soft and thick lining of the uterus. Okay, फिर uterus में sink हो जाता है as shown in that figure. So and gets embedded in it. और यहाँ पे क्या होता है? embedded होता है. Okay, so the embedding of embryo in the thick lining of the uterus is called the implantations. Clear this one? So after implantation, a disc-like special tissue develop between the uterus wall, okay, and the embryo or that fetus, which is called placenta. It is through the placenta that all the requirement of developing fetus like nutrition, respiration and excretion etc. are made from the mother's body. तो जितनी भी न्यूट्रिशन रेस्पिरेशन एक्सक्रीशन जो रिक्वायर्ड रहती है, तो वो मदर्स की बॉडी से उस फिटस को मिलते रहती है. ओके, इन अदर वर्ड्स द एक्सचेंज ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स, ऑक्सीजन एंड वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट बिटवीन द एम्ब्रियो एंड द मदर टेक्स प्लेस थ्रू द placenta. Clear this one? So the time period from the fertilization up to the birth of the baby is called the gestation period. So the average gestation period in the human or the average duration of human pregnancy, so human pregnancy is about 9 months. During the pregnancy period the fetus grow to become a baby. Birth begins when the strong muscles in the wall of the uterus start to contract rhythmically. So the rhythmic contraction of uterus muscles gradually pushes the baby out of the mother's body through the vagina. So this is how baby is born. Okay, now next topic is sexual cycle in females, that is called the menstruation. When a girl child is born, her ovaries already contain many thousands of immature ova. Means जैसे ही गर्ल चाइल्ड बॉर्न होती है तो उनकी बॉडी के अंदर immature ova होते हैं, thousands of, okay, which are contained in immature follicles. Okay, when a girl reaches the age of puberty, जैसे ही गर्ल्स puberty stage पे reach करती है, then one follicle develop at a time to form a mature ovum. Okay, तो एक मीन्स वो डेवलप होता है and form the mature ovum. On maturing, the follicle burst and the ovum shoot out the ovary. Okay, on maturing the follicle burst होता है and ovum shoot out of the ovary. Okay, so this is called the ovulation period. तो इसी period को क्या कहते हैं? Ovulation period. So thus the release of an ovum from an ovary is called the ovulation period. Means जब ovum ovary से release होता है, okay, so that is called the ovulation period. So in normal healthy girl, Ovulation takes place on the 14th day of the beginning of the menstruation cycle of 28th day. This means that the ovulation takes in the middle of the menstrual cycle because that 14th day of the middle of that 28 days. In females, the ovaries start releasing ovum or egg once every 28 days from the age of puberty. जब से उनकी प्यूबर्टी से स्टार्ट होती है तो एवरी 28 डेज के बाद में एक ओवम रिलीज होता है. क्लियर? So that is in girls, ovulation is start when they attain puberty. Okay, so ovulation does not take place every day after puberty. It takes place after a period of every 28 days, which is almost once a month. तो ये मीन्स डेली नहीं होता है, मीन्स मंथ में एक बार होता है, मीन्स आफ्टर 28 days. Clear this one? For every ovulation, the inner lining of the uterus becomes thick and soft with a lot of blood capillaries. Okay, उसमें blood capillaries जो thick lining है in it. So these changes in the uterus are necessary because in case the ovum released by the ovary gets fertilized by the sperm. So this is a necessary condition, okay, for the fertilized egg. So then the uterus has to keep this fertilized ovum for further development and supply it with the food and oxygen, etc., so that it may grow into a baby in due course of time. Clear this one? If however sperm is not available at the time of ovulation, then fertilization of ovum does not take place. So since the ovum is not fertilized, वो fertilized नहीं होता है और ओके जब ओवुलेशन पीरियड के समय में स्पर्म नहीं अवेलेबल रहता है तो वो एग्स फर्टिलाइज नहीं होगा. सो द थिक एंड सॉफ्ट यूटेरस लाइनिंग हैविंग ए लॉट ऑफ ब्लड कैपिलरीज इन इट नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. तो वो लॉट ऑफ ब्लड कैपिलरीज जो फिगर में आपको दिख रही है तो वो रिक्वायर्ड नहीं रहती. ओके, so thus the unfertilized ovum dies within a day and the uterus lining also break down. फिर जो unfertilized जो ovum है वो die हो जाता है and uterus lining also break down. ovum fertilized ovum unfertilized है, so there is no need of thick and soft lining of that blood capillaries of that uterus. Okay, so since uterus lining also break down, so since the thick and soft uterus lining contains a lot of blood vessels, so the breaking of the uterus lining produces blood along with other tissues. So this blood and other tissues come out of the vagina in the form of bleeding. So we can now say that the breakdown and removal of the inner thick and soft lining of the uterus along with its blood vessels in the form of vaginal bleeding as shown in that figure is called the menstruation flow or menstruation. Clear this one? तो फिर जो flow start हो जाता है in the जो thick lining of uterus breakdown हो जाता है and in the form of bleeding that flow will start. Okay, so that stage is called the menstruation and we can call that menstruation cycle. Clear this one? So menstruation occurs if an ovum released by the ovary of a woman does not get fertilized due to non-availability of sperm at the time of ovulation. So since the process of menstruation in a woman's occur again and again after a fixed period of 28 days or 30 days. So it is also known as the menstrual cycle. Menstruation occurs every 28 days because ovulation occurs every 28 days. So the menstruation cycle is controlled by hormones. और ये किसके through control होती है? Through the hormone. Clear this one? So menstruation stops temporarily when the ovum gets fertilized. और ये menstruation temporarily stop हो जाता है जब ovum fertilized हो जाता है and women get pregnant. फिर जो woman है वो pregnant हो जाती है. So this is because in this case the thick and soft lining of the uterus containing lot of blood vessels is needed for the growth and development of the fertilized ovum to form a baby. Clear this? Now menarche and menopause. The first menstruation or menstruation flow begins at puberty when the girl or woman is around 10 to 12 years of age. The first occurrence of menstruation at puberty is called the menarche. मीन्स जब फर्स्ट टाइम प्यूबर्टी स्टेज अटेन करती है और ब्लीडिंग फ्लो होता है, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द मेनार्क. सो मेनार्क इज द बिगनिंग ऑफ द रिप्रोडक्टिव लाइफ ऑफ ए गर्ल. तो ये इसका इंडिकेशन ये रहता है कि रिप्रोडक्टिव लाइफ उस गर्ल्स में फॉर्म हो गई है. ओके, इन अदर वर्ड्स मेनार्क इज द टाइम फॉर विच अ गर्ल बिकम्स कैपेबल ऑफ हैविंग ए बेबी. So menstruation is stopped permanently when a woman reaches the age of about 45 to 50 years. With the permanent stoppage of menstruation, a woman loses her ability to bear children. Okay, so and she becomes infertile. और जब menstruation stop हो जाता है permanently, so female become infertile. Clear this one? So the permanent stoppage of menstruation in women is called the menopause. Clear this one? And menopause occurs in women at the age of about 45 to 50 years. Clear this one? Thank you.